Got a chance to play Sandpiper Bay, one of our favorite tracks in the region. As you can see, it is coming back after a brutal Carolina winter, which ruined or damaged many of the courses in the area. Now, we played the Sand 9, which still has a few temporary greens, and the Piper 9, which was in good summer shape. Now, the majority of the fairways were full. The greens were rolling as well, as we found out. Now, if you're visiting the area, this is a course you need to book. It has everything a good golfer would want. There are some tight fairways that require a straight tee shot. There are also a number of elevated greens that require a carry over water. The holes are challenging but fair. Plus, there are 27 holes here. Now, not only that, with the water and the trees, this is a scenic course. Now, after the round, we explored the extensive efforts to get this great track into pristine condition as it was last fall. The Bay 9 is closed now, but we can see how these 9 holes will be up and running by late August. Now, despite the rumors and reports, courses in southeastern North Carolina are coming back, and they will be ready for the fall golf season.